For this tutorial, I will use Unreal Engine 5, version 5.03. You can download and install this version even if it's not the latest. Thanks to this tutorial, you'll be able to control any Paragon character, all of which are free on the Epic Games Store. First, we will create the project based on the third-person template. Select third person and then name the project as you like. Click on the Create button. Click on the Window menu, then Content Browser, then Content Browser 1 to open a new Content Browser tab. Click on Third Person Map and launch the project to test that this template is working correctly. Now, we are going to add a Paragon character to the project. To do this, go to the Fab store at www.fab.com. Type Paragon in the search bar and select your favorite character. For this example, I will choose Greystone. Click on Add to my library, then on View in Launcher. In the Epic Games Launcher, go to your library and search for your character's name in the Fab library. Click on Add to Project and choose the project we just created. Let's verify that the character has been successfully added to the project. In the Content Browser, open the Greystone directory and double-click on Greystone Player Blueprint class. Select it as shown on the screen and press the Delete key. Double-click on BP Third Person Blueprint class. Select the input, turn right left mouse, and copy it. Return to the Greystone tab, paste it, and replace the existing input. Do the same for the input, look up down mouse. Input, move forward. And input, move right left. Compile the project. Now, let's modify the default pawn class in the World Settings tab of the third-person map. Choose Greystone Player Character from the list. And voila! The next tutorial will add foot IK, so subscribe. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you liked this video.